You wait ages for one and then three come along at once. But rather than buses, in this case we're talking about car rebrands. Last week we looked at Peugeot and Audi, and now hot on their tracks is Renault with their simple new geometric logo. Let's take a look at how they're gearing up their brand for the shift towards electric vehicles. Hey, it's Mo Ali here and I'm a senior creative professional based in London. Today we're looking at a new logo from another French car manufacturer, and this time it's Renault. Like many other automobile brands who have recently refreshed their identity, Renault have opted for a flat design. It's been almost 20 years since they've had a major change to their logo, and this one has some clear resemblance to the one introduced in the 1970s. The new logo is composed of two intertwining diamond shapes, although it makes me wonder why they didn't either connect the inner lines together or just leave an even gap around it. The current lack of space is uncomfortable on Matt Hancock levels. Oh my god, I'm standing next to a woman. This is amazing. I can smell her and everything. Oh no, don't go. Oh. In a somewhat bold move, they seem to have dropped the word mark from the logo lockup, keeping just the diamond emblem for the new identity. But then it looks like the confidence took a left turn at the last minute, so they quickly had the name plastered across the face of the prototype vehicle they unveiled it on. But even though the car wasn't really to my taste, I was immediately drawn to the glowing badge at the front. Now imagine if this was pulsing while charging, or animating as you drive, kind of like the Nightrider car. Come to think of it, it's quite disappointing that we haven't had those pulsing lights on a car yet. Maybe it's with this new wave of autonomous vehicles with voice assistant built in that we finally get to have our own Nightrider experience. Overall, the new logo evolution, or as they've dubbed it, the Renaulution, isn't really surprising in any way, as they've taken a flat and functional route just like everyone else. It's a clean and tidy take on their brand refresh with a clear emphasis on being adaptable for digital mediums. I'm hoping to see the new identity design drive more innovation on their cars, like the glowing badge. Let me know whether you'd want some Nightrider lights on your own car in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this, you might want to check out my recent video on the Peugeot rebrand. Don't forget to press that like button, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.
Nightrider, a shadowy flight into the dangerous world of a man who does not exist.